Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to get XRP on Coinbase wallet. First of all, you can open the Coinbase wallet application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply tap on the search bar at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can just simply search XRP coin. I can already search, so I can now tap on this. You can search here. After going to the XRP network coin, you can just simply tap on buy and follow the further prompts to get XRP on Coinbase wallet. And it is a way you can get XRP on Coinbase wallet if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.